Now, behind me, I got a 38LL, which is the overall length of 39.5. Just like every Tiffin, it has the one-piece fiberglass front cap, rear cap, and sidewalls, and also our roof. Now, a few features that you're always going to see on our Tiffin Class A's is the exterior TV that also has the sound bar, and then also the USB ports right there. And in the compartments, you'll see that we got a 24-gallon propane tank and extra storage above. This is when you're starting to get into our pass-through storage. With Tiffin, we always maximize on our storage. And one of the things that you're always going to see across the line is our side swinging doors. I don't have to worry about you trying to creep under the doors on the top hinge. We always want to make sure that it's easy access. Then we got a 70-gallon freshwater tank and a 50-gallon black tank. And then we got our house batteries. And then more storage all the way through. One thing you're also going to see, just like you saw earlier on the 33AL, is that we have the Truma Aqua Go Comfort. Continuous hot water. As long as you have water in that fresh water tank, you're going to have hot water as well. And then we have our surge guard. Make sure that you protect yourself from the any surge or anything like that. We also have our def tank. And then here's our wet bay. And of course, storage throughout. Of course, again, there's the pass-through storage again. And here's our house batteries, which have easier access with the slide-out tray. And of course, here's your access to get to your generator that's up in the front. Which in the front we have a 8,000 watt diesel Onan generator. All right, let's make our way to the front. Inside.
Well, hi there.
So here we got Haley with us. She's gonna help walk through the inside of the coach. All right.
So where do we want to start here?
All right. So one thing that you're gonna notice about when you walk into this coach is that all these cabinets, all throughout the coach, what Tiffin we always boast on is our maximizing our storage. And what's really cool about it is that we build our own cabinets. And one of the things that we really pride on is making sure we listen to our customers. So one of the things that you're going to notice is that a lot of these cabinets are unitized to maximize what you can put in there. If we were all blocked off, you wouldn't be able to put in that cushion or along with these boxes.
Yeah,
push through.
extra pillows, blankets, anything can fit in there.
So any way possible we're able to maximize the storage is key.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's a lot of storage. And then it goes all the way around to the front of the coach.
And then over here, we got our Dinette Sleeper. So this comes down and makes into a bed.
Yeah, and these cushions come down, right?
Yes, those cushions come off. And then you have, extra sleeping here. And what's cool and what we made, which was new for this coach, we introduced this, of course, the 38LO. We introduced this year. We also introduced the Super Sofa. So what's cool about the Super Sofa is a combination between a bed, flip and fold bed, and power recliners. So what's really neat, let's go and start this. Get this going.
Oh, very nice. Awesome.
That's all it took. It's all built in within the memory foam cushions, and very comfortable. Here, I'm gonna.
Yeah, seamless, really.
There we go. So very easy to use, very comfortable. And you don't have to worry about any pumps or whatever the mattress that's under. It's all built in within the sofa.
Yeah, that's great.
And another feature is, of course, the power recliner. And of course,
we don't have the power hood up.
We never turn on the inverter, so not many of the things actually work.
Yeah, we're just running off the
we're just running off,
sources.
yeah, we're just running off the house battery right
Yeah.
now. But what's really neat about this coach is how it's laid out. You have your living quarters right here, or your living area, to where it's segmented out to where you're able to watch your TV here, and then also dine in with your kitchen right there for easier access.
Do we want to talk about the kitchen real quick before we
yeah.
get onto the bedroom?
Completely forgot about the kitchen. So of course we got the convection microwave. So if you're happy with not having your oven, you're still able to use the convection feature to still cook like as if you had your oven at your home.
Right, that's great. And is this a gas
Yes.
stove that we have here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I just pulled that grate off.
Oh, no, you're good. So yes, we got.
And this is again
propane.
the same type of countertops. It's all seamless and
Yes.
gives you tons and tons of prep space for cooking.
Yes. So these are solid surface countertops. They're non-porous. You're not gonna have to worry. I guess the word is
easy to clean.
easy to clean. Yes, easy
they're
to
not
clean.
Gonna absorb all that nasty stuff when you're cooking.
Not so much, no germs or anything like that.
Yeah.
That are gonna stick into the pores. So very good benefits with it. And of course, anywhere that we can, we're gonna be able to have our covers, making sure that we're able to maximize as much counter space when we're not using it. So.
Yeah, and that's a pretty deep sink we have here also.
Oh yeah. So plenty of storage underneath, and then plenty of drawers as well.
Yeah, once again, it's all the name brand appliances. We have the Whirlpool, and then the LG fridge, LG TVs.
Oh yeah.
The Furon fireplace.
Then we got to pull out, we got to pull out pantry right here. So any spot that can be considered space, we make sure that we're using it. We don't want any just open space that could be used for our customers. And whenever there's always
making
feedback.
It a very comfortable stay in your motorhome.
Mm-hmm. All right. And then we also have our half bath. This is a bath and a half. So you're able to separate. So if you're having people over, you don't have to worry about them going through your bedroom to use the restroom. They have their own while you have your own. And then you have the memory foam. It's a sleep made, custom made mattress just for us. Very comfortable. Yep.
Yeah, we also have the USB outlets again.
Yep. And then we also have our overhead cabinetry.
Yep.
Very deep. All right. Then you have your wardrobes with your mirrors in front of them. So you're always get your clothes, get ready, and then you also have a beautiful view.
And then again, there's the behind the TV storage. I'm not sure how to do that, but more storage there.
And this is where the entertainment compartment is. You're able to access where we have our our Blu-ray, our Wally, everything else to where you can hide right behind the TV
Very nice.
without any worrying about messing with the fire exit. So, and then here we are in our full bath with the optional stack dishwasher.
Yeah, the washer and dryer combo.
Yep.
Or the stackable, I'm sorry. And then as well as more cabinets for storage. You got a full shower.
Yeah, one-piece fiberglass shower.
Mm-hmm. Lots and lots of storage.
Oh, yeah. What's even neat, like I said, that space behind the shower. It's even utilized with this sliding, I guess, linen compartment.
Yeah. And then also, this also has the pocket doors. This is a pretty standard thing here with Tiffin. If I can get it open. Oh, and then on the back side over here, it's got a mirror.
All right.
Cool.
All right. So that about wraps it up in this 38LL. All right, so that about wraps it up.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, be sure to drop a comment below. Or if you have any suggestions on content you'd like to see, we'd love to hear about that. Go ahead and give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again from VOD RV.